Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to wash the Ducati. I've got some new things here I'm going to use to clean up the bike. This is a very mild cleaner that's safe for pretty much everything. I'm going to start with that, and I've got this highly concentrated car wash, which is going to be used with this, which is a new foam pump sprayer. We also have some detail brushes that we're going to use in the tight spots. These are some things I picked up at Walmart. Just, you know, we'll see how they work. This is just a wash mitt for the big areas. And then I've got this. Okay, move the bike outside and put it on a stand. First thing I'm going to do is just cover up these controls here. There we go. Now, one other thing is I'm not going to spray the muck off on any of the disc brakes or these calipers, but pretty much anywhere else is safe. You can spray it. It's specifically for motorcycle, but it's biodegradable, safe. Okay, first thing we're going to do is just wet the bike down. We're going to just start spraying it all over, liberally, all inside, everything. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. All right, I'm just going to work in here a little bit. Use this to just clean some of the underneath areas. I'm just loosely working it in here. Okay, for this next part, we're going to get the pump sprayer working here. And I've got my distilled water. This thing holds 35 ounces. You can barely see 35 ounces is right at the top here. And I'm going to fill it just below the 35 to where it's about 34. I'll do 34 ounces and 1 ounce of this car wash. This is super highly concentrated stuff. You can see how thick it is. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, now we'll just take the end of this stick here and just stir this up a little. We're just going to pump this until this little tap pops. There it goes. And then you just spray this stuff on and watch the magic happen. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, we have it properly soaped. It looks amazing. So I've got this detail brush here, and it's designed to go all the way inside there and clean off stuff. So you can see it really works. I'm going to take this one, start going over the bike from top to bottom. One thing you want to make sure you don't do is do this in the middle of the sun, in the middle of the day. Notice it's starting to get dark. You just want to have indirect sunlight. See, this one seems to do pretty good. In and out of these wheels. I wasn't planning on cleaning my chain again since I just cleaned it. But we'll see if this ends up taking off a lot of the stuff off the chain, the oil and stuff.
I don't think it's going to, but we'll see. Okay, for drying, I've got two parts. One, I've got a chamois here. I'm just gonna go over the big stuff with the chamois, and then part two will be compressed air. You just don't want to let it air dry. You're gonna have a bunch of spots. Now for step two. Okay. All right, and we're done. So, took the most amount of time to do the drying, but that's the part that's worth it because you'll get all the water spots off. You start at the top and go down. This total time took about 1 hour, a little over 30 minutes to do the washing and about 30 minutes to do the drying, but I was a little more meticulous on the drying, but I think it could be done quicker if you really don't care about all the little intricacies and all the nooks and crannies, but I wanted to get it completely spotless, so thanks for watching.